Hey guys, it's Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Are you ready to break the internet? Because today we're taking Thanksgiving leftovers to the next level with a Nashville hot turkey melt. Let's get cooking. The first step in this process today, we're gonna make our Nashville hot sauce. So in a small stock pan, we're gonna go ahead and add our butter, right? Get that all set now. We're gonna make this today just until it melts. We don't want it to separate, we wanna heat it till it just melts. So we added our butter. We're gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper sauce to that. Add a little bit of brown sugar. You can add as much or as little as you like. We're gonna go ahead and season it too, picking one of our favorite barbecue rubs. We'll add a couple tablespoons of that, and then we're gonna add some spicy honey as well, just to give it that final kick and that final little bit of sweetness. All right, now we'll turn this on, we'll get it melted, we'll be ready to go. All right, we are done. The sauce is all ready, so let's get cleaned up here because now we want to talk a little bit about these awesome Traeger biscuits. We went ahead and made the baked poblano cheddar biscuits off the Traeger site. We did this earlier to have them done, and now it is time to build sandwiches. So first thing I'm gonna do is we'll start with the biscuit. We're gonna get this guy split in half. All right, we've got a little bit of pre-cooked bacon as well. We're gonna cut that in half, a little bit of pepper jack, and then we've got some of those beautiful bread and butter pickles for garnish. So we went ahead and heated our turkey up, right? We like to have this ahead of time, ready to go, set, warm, all of that. So what we'll do first, we'll brush a little bit of this Nashville hot sauce onto that biscuit. Get that heat profile started. We'll go ahead and add a little bit of turkey. We'll go ahead and add a little bit of bacon. Go ahead and do a little bit more hot sauce on the top of that. I don't think you can ever have enough hot sauce, right? And then we'll add 2 pieces of pepper jack. I like to kind of put them on there a little separately, and then we're gonna top it with the biscuit. All right, we'll go ahead and grab our cast iron. We are going to continue to build these sandwiches, and then we're gonna head out to the Traeger, get these all set and ready to go, and we are gonna have a pretty fantastic leftover lunch today. We've got them all built. It is time to get out on the Traeger, get these guys melted. We've got the Traeger set at 400 degrees. We loaded it with the reserve blend pellets. We're gonna go about 15 to 20 minutes on these. Now the turkey's already hot, so we're really just trying to finally brown that biscuit a little bit and melt that cheese. We are all done. Cheese is melted. Now it's time to head back in the kitchen, get a little bit of that quality control. I cannot wait to devour these things. I am excited for sure. So we'll go ahead now, get this on our plate. You know what? A couple bread and butter pickles never hurt. I'm thinking a little more Nashville hot sauce as well. For this recipe and more, be sure to visit us at acehardware.com or visit your local Ace Hardware, the helpful place. Now it's time for a little quality control.